Hey everybody, Dimitri here with Serg Supply, and today we are at Vanspeed, the Van Mart. I've gotten to spend a week with these guys, and I'm really excited to show you what we've been doing.
Audio Jungle.
It's a little loud here in the shop, but I'm standing next to this behemoth here. This is a state-of-the-art laser cutter. It's really cool to see how everything here is made. It's welded by expert craftsmen here in the United States, and I've had the pleasure and privilege of spending some time with these guys this week and getting to see how they make this really cool stuff. Oh, badass. There it is, folks. I don't know if the camera's flipped, probably, but you know, they make it look easy. To the credit of the technicians and the experts working here, that's 32 years of experience making this look like it was nothing. But yeah, really exciting. The level of resolution and quality that you get to see in all the work here is pretty impressive. But here I am at the van that we've been spending the last 2-3 days building. Let me show you what we did and how we did it. Okay, we are inside of a Transit 148 high roof. Let me show you what we've been working on the last few days. Right out the gate, starting strong with the Serg Supply Universal Kitchen with this beautiful plate that Vanspeed has whipped up for us. This does come with that flip-up extension you guys love. Let's check out the rest of the cabinet. It's pretty much our standard universal kitchen. There's nothing crazy here. Soft closed drawers, plenty of storage. We've got the Serg Supply sink down in here, the compartment down here for water. Of course, the famous Murphy bed system. It's already installed, although we don't have a mattress in. This thing is installed and it's good to go. Now, this build we actually did for the EcoFlow Delta system, and while we have the power unit living on the outside, we still use the Murphy kind of cooling system. So we've got that 800-watt charger here for the Delta. We've got this converter that's going to basically convert from 110 to 12 volt. The reason being, sometimes the 12 volt that comes out of the Delta is shaky and flickers, but this seems to be a far more reliable way. And our integrated cooling system here is going to be sucking any hot air out of that enclosure and keeping the electrical components nice and cool. Our laundry storage, it's a little dusty in here, but now we've got double laundry storage. Vanspeed capsules with trim rings already installed. We added a little puck light there and a single dimmer button for the capsule puck light. Now, let me see if I can get this. Bam, there you go. And then moving on to this side, we have our actual Murphy platform. I've got a little bit of thinsulate stuffed in here to keep some tension on it, but here's the idea. You undo these clasps on the frog, Murphy bed comes right down, and now you've got a half-functioning bed system. Overhead cabinets, nothing overly crazy here, but you know, it's the same high-quality finish you'd look for on any of our products. Of course, these reuse the same factory holes as the ceiling beams. It's the new style ceiling. There's our temporary mattress for any of you curious, and I'll see if I can latch this back on video live. So engage the frog or get it ready, and really all you need to do is hit the mounting ring here. Let's see if I can get this for you guys. Bam, hands free. Not really, but there she is. It's beautiful, it's elegant. We whipped this build up in a whopping two days, maybe 2.5 days with 2.5 guys. We got it done pretty quick. Aside from that, and the new adventure floor installed, everything else is things you guys already seen before that are on the site. There it is, folks. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the van. I hope you enjoyed the shop. If you're looking for any really nice exterior products that are handmade by professionals here in the US, and frankly by people who actually give a crap about what they do, this is the place to go. So thank you to you guys. Thank you to Vanmart for hosting me for an entire week. As always, I appreciate you watching, and happy building.